Once there was a seagull who loved the sea. Every day he greeted the water and all the creatures in the deep blue sea. "Good morning, dear ocean. Good morning, my friends," he called. He would fly high up in the wide blue sky and dive and splash in the rolling waves and sit upon the blue water listening to ocean's song. But best of all, he loved playing Tracy, running up and down the beach as the waves rolled in and out. One day, he noticed foamy bubbles on the edge of the waves. He was about to play with the bubble waves when some fish came close to the shore. "Good morning, dear Seagull. Please stay away from the bubbles. They make us tired." Some fish grew weary and laid still on the sand. The seagull flew high up in the sky when he noticed the water looked heavy and green. "Are you all right, dear ocean?" he asked. "Hello, seagull, my friend. Tiny plants have grown too many too fast in my water. I need to rest, to wash and clean myself as best. Could you wait for me till I'm well again? Then you may come and play in the water with me again." The seagull sang, "Rest now, ocean, rest and sway. Wash the cloudy green away. We will wait and send you cheer till your song returns so clear." As the sun was shining, the moon was glowing, and the wind was blowing, the sea rested day by day. Little by little, the water grew clearer. Fish swam brighter, and the ocean whispered, "Soon, soon I'll be well again." So the seagull waited, watching and listening for ocean's song to return. Rest now, ocean, rest and sway. Wash the cloudy green away. We will wait and send you cheer till your song returns so clear.